Hey, come on in. Welcome to Apify. My name is Jan. I'm the founder and CEO of the company, and I'll show you our office today. So, right, this is the first part here. This is our lobby. It's the first thing visitors see when they come to the office. The decoration today is because we have all hands meeting and followed by the Christmas party. So we had a great year. So I think the party is gonna be pretty good today. We'll see. We're actually at the top of the Lucerna Palace, which is a national culture monument built in the 1920s by the Havel family. Actually, the founder of Lucerna, Vaclav Havel, was the grandfather of the Czech president Vaclav Havel. And this used to be his private atelier and apartment, right? So where you can see the big windows up there, the purpose was to throw like natural diffuse light so that he can paint nice images. We can start at the balcony. So now we're above the Vodičková Street. You can see the Prague Castle view there and the Vaclav Square. We really love this place because it's in the very center of the city, which makes it very close for everyone living in Prague. And we love people to come to the office. It's getting a bit cold. Let's come in. In the lobby here, we host events quite often. It's pretty much like every month there is something here, like different meetups or conferences, panels, and so on. So we'll be happy to welcome you on some of our future events. So this is the revenue room. This is where our delivery and sales and growth teams sit, and this is the money engine of the company, really. As you can see, it's buzzing here. You know, guys had to clean their tables today. So now we're coming to the finance and PeopleOps room. So this is where we keep our budgets tight and employees happy. This is our CFO, Markéta. I'm joking, Markéta is working in the data team. Anyway, I'll show you our meeting room. Yeah, so this is one of the meeting rooms. And what you can see here is the courtyard of the Lucerna Palace, right? So for example, up there's this like a famous rooftop terrace. Our old office was on the other side of this building, but the whole palace is being renovated. So we moved like to the first fully renovated part of the new Lucerna. And yeah, I think Lucerna did a great job here. There is some meeting over there, so we will not disturb. This is my humble office. It was supposed to be a kitchen, but we already have one. So. Oh, this is Vašek, our head of delivery. Hello. And the biggest fan of Arnold Schwarzenegger around here.
And Slavia.
And Slavia, of course. This is our lovely data team, just cooking the numbers. They are very shy. Here is our support team. They are hiding probably. And now here we're on top of the lobby. We call this a chill zone and mandatory table football, some gaming plays and so on. And our rules here are that like the team that loses has to do push-ups. Yeah, not playing football that much. And now we are entering the engineering area of the office. This is Maťo from the Cash and Community team. This is the new user experience team. And the designers, they are hiding there behind the corner. And the guys here make sure that our users have the best experience possible. And now the marketing room. Guys are busy now with all the Christmas promotions. This is Oli, or the marketing. This is Theo. You might have seen him in some of our webinars and videos. He's actually the most featured person in them. And the guy there is Dave, who is hiding very well behind his monitors. Our head of content. And here, this might look like a meeting room, but it's really a ping pong gym. And here, this is our recording studio, where we do the webinars and record the videos. You might have seen this part from the other side of the camera. And this is our engineering. It's very quiet here, so we shouldn't disturb. This is where the real magic happens, where all the amazing lines of code are created. This is Ondra, our COO.
Yeah, I love your speech, man.
I know, it's great, isn't it? All right, now we're back to the lobby. I see the lunch is coming. Some people go to the restaurant, some people have lunch here. yeah, we just love to bring people together. I think I didn't introduce our lovely office manager, Johanna, who's busy now also with the preparation of the Christmas party. And yeah, so that's about it. So if you like it here, make sure to come to our future events. And if you would like to spend even more time here, we have plenty of open roles on our website. So yeah, check it out and see you soon.